Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Subaru Outback. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Ensure both vehicles are completely turned off and securely in park or neutral. Then, carefully position the donor vehicle close enough so the jumper cables can easily reach both batteries without stretching. Connecting the jumper cables correctly is crucial. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your Subaru's dead battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the donor vehicle's positive terminal. Then, attach one black negative clamp to the donor battery's negative terminal. Finally, connect the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Subaru, ensuring a good ground. With the cables securely connected, it is time to start the engines. First, start the donor vehicle's engine and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After this charging period, attempt to start your Subaru Outback. If it does not start, wait another 2 or 3 minutes and try again, allowing more charge time. With your Subaru Outback started, it is time to safely disconnect the cables. Begin by removing the black negative clamp from your Subaru's metal surface, then from the donor battery. Next, remove the red positive clamp from the donor battery and finally from your Subaru's battery. Drive your Subaru for at least 20 minutes to ensure a full recharge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.